Hey, welcome back for another video, guys. So today we are actually celebrating a birthday. Lacy's 11th birthday is today. Can you believe it? I know I can't. The time has gone by so quick. I wanted to make a little bit of a montage in dedication to Lacy and her birthday. I hope you guys enjoy the montage, and I'll see you back here in a couple minutes.
You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV is full of pain. But we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist, we always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it.
Alright, and that's it. So, happy birthday, Lacy. I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of a off-the-cuff video I wanted to make, just celebrating her 11 years. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next week's video is going to be about fish, surprisingly. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Don't forget, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget, turn the notifications on so you never miss out on any new videos. And yeah, I will see you guys next week, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon. I'll see you in the next one.